the key question which teachers, second language teachers face is how to measure or assess achievement in reading. Let's discuss this question. Measuring learning in a particular course is important because it allows understand what strategies or what kind of speed reading or skills students have developed. So, for example, if the course is all about developing speed, this is one of the aspects of reading. So that should have similar assessment units in it. I mean, there should be a proper correlation between the aims of the course and its assessment. This is important. There shouldn't be any kind of, absence of correlation. So, for example, if the course is about academic reading, the texts should focus on academic texts, and the tests should be similar to the nature of the academic reading course. So, as pointed, as discussed before, there should be correspondence or correlation between achievement measures and the course. So, the very purpose of measuring achievement is to know whether the students are on the right track, whether they have developed necessary or adequate required skills, or whether they are reading with required speed, or whether they can spell words properly, recognize words properly, and or there is no issue in terms of understanding or making meaning of the words, right? So, while measuring achievement in a particular course largely depends upon the validity of the test. So there should be high level of validity. By validity, I mean that the course should be, that the tests should be clearly designed and designed in such a way which are clearly understandable for the students, and which they can understand well and which they can answer well. And for example, if any other kind of person happens to test the student, if the evaluator is not the same teacher, if some other teacher evaluates the students or want to measure their achievement in reading, they should come up with the same kind of results. So the tests should look like what they are meant to be assessing. So in this regard, it's important to mention that we can use some reading comprehension tests. For example, giving shorter or longer passages. Apart from MCQs, apart from yes or true or false questions, we can give comprehension questions to the students and measure their achievement. And comprehension questions can help give us understanding about the element of speed, about the element of understanding, and these other skills in reading. So there are various strategies which measuring achievement tests can develop in students. One of the strategies is to develop or inculcate a sense of speed reading, then making sense of the word and recognize the words quickly and constructively. And we can also kind of design a test which makes students read aloud. And then we can design tests which require students take down notes of what they are. So there are a variety of question formats which we can make the use of in measuring reading skill. So measuring achievement. By achievement, I mean the skills which students have developed. Skill by skill, I mean the skill of skimming, scanning, or guessing, or taking cue of the meaning, or other particular skills. So these are the skills which we assess through various kinds of tests, and these tests are designed to measure students' achievement in reading skill.